Today's topic is sea turtles. Sea turtle is an article written by Shekhar Dattatri. He is one of India's leading wildlife and conservation filmmakers from Chennai. His lifelong fascination with wildlife began at the age of 13 when he joined the famous Madras Snake Park as a student volunteer. He has won National Film Awards for the Best Non-Featured Film Cinematography. There are two pictures. One is the picture of a tortoise and the other is the picture of a turtle. Both tortoise and turtle have some differences. Tortoise have most rounded shells, whereas turtles have thinner and more water dynamic shells. Turtle shells are more streamlined and it helps them in swimming. Tortoise spend most of their time on land, whereas turtles spend their entire life in water. Compared to most tortoises, sea turtles are huge. Sea turtle is a marine relative of the tortoise. These reptiles spend almost their entire life in the sea, and so they are called marine creatures. There are 7 species of sea turtles in the world, but only 5 are found in India's coastal waters. They are the loggerhead, the olive ridley, the leatherback, the hawksbill, and the green sea turtle. There are two pictures. One is the Kemp's turtle and the other is the flatback turtle. Of the 7 species of turtles in the world, the Kemp's turtle and the flatback turtle are not found in India's coastal waters. The olive ridley weighs up to 35 kg when fully grown, and this turtle is commonly seen nesting on India's sandy beaches. Olive ridleys are most commonly seen in the beaches of Odisha. The female olive ridleys come ashore at night to lay eggs between the months of January and March. They lay about 100 eggs, and these eggs are similar in shape and size of a table tennis ball. The leatherback is the largest species and its length is 2.2 meters and weighs up to 700 kilogram. In one picture, you find the sea turtle coming to the shore, and in the other picture, you find the turtle's eggs. Sea turtles spend their entire life in the oceans. Still, they have connection with the land. They come to the land to lay eggs. In this picture, you see the flippers of turtle. Flippers are broad, flat limbs used for swimming. It helps the turtle to swim effortlessly and gracefully. But they are not very useful for moving on land. The turtle finds it very difficult to move on land. It has to pull and put in more effort to move onto the beach. The turtle scoops out a hollow space to lay eggs. This space is 45 centimeter deep. After laying eggs, the turtle hides it by tossing sand on it with the help of its flippers. Then it returns to the sea. The eggs are left to hatch under the warmth of the sun. It takes 45 to 60 days for the eggs to hatch. Here you find a man trying to track or follow the nest of the turtle. In many places around the world, local people follow the tracks of the turtle. Then they collect the eggs for eating. Jackal, domestic dogs, and pigs follow the scent left by turtles and they eat the eggs. The hatchlings cut open the leathery eggshell with the help of its tiny egg tooth. They push themselves upwards through the sand and come out on the surface of the beach. Then they make a very quick dash into the sea. You see a hatchling coming out through its eggshell. The tiny hatchlings weigh less than 20 grams. Most of them are eaten by crabs or birds on the land. Some hatchlings that reach the sea are eaten by many predators. Scientists estimate that only one in every 1,000 hatchlings become an adult, and that is why turtles lay many eggs to keep their species going. Spending many years in the open ocean, the female hatchlings, after becoming adult, return to the same beach where they were born. This is one of the many mysteries of these fascinating reptiles. Sea turtles have become an endangered species. People hunt them for their meat and collect their eggs. Sometimes they are accidentally trapped in the nets of motorboats. Pollution, dumping of plastics into the ocean, and construction activities on nesting beaches also cause a problem for their survival. So, man should put an end to those activities which threaten the survival of the turtles. They should ensure that sea turtles continue to exist for a long time. The answers are given in the brackets and we have to choose the correct answer. The sea turtle is a biological relative of the tortoise. So the answer is sea turtle. In India's coastal waters, we can see a species of sea turtles. The answer is sea turtles. Sea turtles come to the shore to lay eggs. So the answer is lay eggs. It is a problem for sea turtles to come ashore because they find it difficult to walk on sand. So the answer is they find it difficult to walk on sand. A turtle's flippers help it to swim. The answer is swim. Fill in the blanks by choosing the answers given in the blue box below. Tiny hatchlings fall prey to many predators. The answer is prey. Sea turtles live their whole life in sea. The answer is whole. The turtles come ashore only during the night. The answer is night. The predators follow the scent of the turtles to eat their eggs. The answer is scent. The female turtles lay eggs and go back to the sea. The answer is sea. Match the following. Sea turtles come ashore to lay eggs. Hatchlings cut open the leathery eggshell. A turtle uses its front flippers to swim. Many factors threaten the survival of sea turtles.